Welcome, campers. Whether you're an experienced camper or just starting out, having the right gear and gadgets can make a huge difference in your camping experience. In this video, we'll be discussing the 5 best camping gear and gadgets you can buy this year so you can get the most out of your camping trips. We'll cover all the essentials. So let's get started. Number 5. Tentsla X1 Camping Tent. The Tentsla X1 Camping Tent is the answer to Tesla owners' prayers. It is designed to perfectly fit with the car's camp mode, providing a comfortable and secure sleeping space. High-quality materials and a pump-assisted setup make it easy to set up and take down in just 5 minutes. The tent also offers great protection from the elements with 6,000 milliliter of water pressure and a temperature increase of 20 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 minutes of using the camp mode A/C. Furthermore, the large windows offer a 180-degree view of the surrounding landscape. With all these features, the Tentsla X1 is a great choice for Tesla owners looking to take their camping experience to the next level. Number 4. Duovox Ultra. The Duovox Ultra is the perfect companion for nighttime exploration. With its advanced 1080 FGT resolution camera, full-color technology, and built-in IR illuminator, you can now capture the most detailed images even in pitch darkness. With its f1.2 aperture and 7-layer glass lenses, you can now capture more light and see farther than ever before. The built-in 5x optical zoom and 10x digital zoom paired with manual focus mode lets you capture minuscule details from up close or far away. All of these features combined make the Duovox Ultra the ultimate night vision binocular for the true outdoors enthusiasts. Number 3. Hive Hammock Stand. The Hive Hammock Stand is revolutionizing the way we enjoy our outdoor adventures. This portable 2-person hammock stand is the first of its kind, making it possible for couples to sleep in close proximity, indoors or out, and for parents to keep a closer eye on their children. In addition to its lightweight design, the Hive Hammock Stand also offers users the ability to hang bridge and XL hammocks, up to 14 long. This is perfect for those looking to experience a comfortable and convenient hammock setup. The engineered truss system also ensures stability, allowing for one person to hang safely on one side of the stand. All in all, the Hive Hammock Stand is a great way to enjoy a restful and safe camping experience. Number 2. Hypershell Omega Exoskeleton. The Hypershell Omega Exoskeleton is one of amazement. This robotic AI-powered exoskeleton packs a punch, bringing with it power and strength to those who need it. It's designed to make walking and physical work easier, and can even quadruple motion acceleration capabilities with Hyper Mode. For travelers, professionals, and explorers alike, the Hypershell is a must-have for any adventure. It's lightweight, powerful, and provides unbeatable endurance and productivity. With the Hypershell, the possibilities are endless. Number 1. Bexez Damascus Folding Knife. The Bexez Damascus folding knife is a must-have for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient pocket knife. This lightweight and compact folding knife is perfect for everyday carry and is large enough to fit comfortably in average hands. The classic handle materials like rosewood and bone, as well as new materials like Arctic Storm, White Storm, and Damascus fat carbon fiber, make this knife truly unique and versatile. It is perfect for camping as it is small and compact but still has the power and sturdiness to carve through wood blocks. This knife also has great versatility, being able to cut through paper, carpet, plastic, cartons, cloth, bags, leather, PVC, and much more. All in all, the Bexez Damascus folding knife is the perfect addition to your egg, car, or backpack.